Right, today we're going to be replacing PCV valve or PCV filter, which is a crankcase ventilation filter that's under this cover. So we're going to take the cap off. We're going to take dipstick out. We're going to take this cover off, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm bolts. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8mm bolts for this cover. And this is what it looks like. It's made by Cummins. I highly recommend getting the original part. See the filter elements inside. We gotta take this breather hose out. Be careful when you pry the hose out not to damage the sensor. So really slowly like this, like that. So service information tells you not to use impact to remove these bolts. So do not use impact, okay? I never had a problem, so. And the two in the back, I use a swivel. They're actually selling a 1/4-inch drive with the wobble end, so that would be perfect, but this way it works too. So take all the screws off. This service should be done every 65,000 miles. The engine needs to breathe. Yeah, see, it's pretty filthy. Double check the gasket. This gasket doesn't have to be replaced all the time, only when you can see some damage to it or it's flat, it doesn't make the seal anymore. This truck has only 67,000 miles, so no gasket needed. And that's it. Got a little bit of clean oil. Lubricate the O-rings so it's easier to slide it in, you know, for here. Now we can put the cover back together. Make sure you don't pinch the wire. Line up all the bolts. Alright, that's it. These bolts, they go for the wire, so they go in here. The torque should be around 10 Newton meters, but I know how 1/4 inch torque wrenches are really expensive. So I just use a 1/4 inch ratchet and just good and tight